Just as a quickie selfie reminder, sauce making involves the use of sodium hydroxide or lye, which can burn your skin and permanently damage your eyes. So be sure to learn and follow lye-safe handle procedure during the entire sauce making process, even while cleaning up. You can buy the products on Instagram store on.taa. The various kinds of barley: China barley, pearl barley, coarse barley. This is uncoarse barley. This is a coarse barley. China barley is the size of a red bean. The texture is hard, and the surface has a black streak. Coarse barley is loose, a bit like a popcorn, and the surface has a black streak too. Pearl barley, smaller than China barley, the size of a white, and has a brown color. Chinese has a long history of eating barley, and everyone loves it. China barley have a hot, cleaning water, dampness, swelling, and drainage, strong bonds. Medical use of a China barley with a medical materials. Do not underestimate its medical property. Peaceful, can cure serious disease. Coarse barley is stir-fried and have a general effect, mainly to strengthen the spine. Chinese people consume with China barley and coarse barley together, taking advantage of the both. In Chinese medicine, barley have a sweet taste and cold nature, which is beneficial to the body for water leakage, pain removal, pus and pus removal, spleen and diarrhea, etc. Modern results have confirmed barley have preventive growth and harmful effect on cancer cells. However, the coconut oil contained in barley have excited urinary effects, so pregnant women can't take it. Finally, at the end of the video, I will teach you how to do wrapping with China barley sweet sauce. If you're interested, please see the end. Thank you.